little treasure.
Oh, damn. It's
Huh? Here's the trash bag.
Ah, Deja. Get off my feet.
Stop, you clown.
Get off my feet.
Big fingers, told you. Leave her alone.
Ariana.
Come on, Deja. Come on, boo. Bam.
Tom Brady.
They ain't no little cards, just some big fingers.
Rookie. Evan Hood.
How you get this done?
Oh.
Dude, what is that?
Shonn Greene. Autograph. See the football in the inside? Oh.
Serial number to 299.
Dang, that was autograph. Say thanks again. After you done, open this one next.
Like the box break.
Huh?
Like the original box
Yeah, the
break.
box break.
You gotta put the video online and then email it to Henry.
Can we
You see
open
the
this
black
next?
hands in there, you'd be like, what the?
Mama, can we open this next?
Then you hear our voice, you'd be like, what the?
Troy,
Ooh,
get
what's that?
yours.
What the- Alright.
Dude, Troy.
Tyrone.
Mackenzie? What's that card right there?
It's
20 of 50.
Wow.
Oh,
Oh, man.
tools of the trade.
Then, Mama, you got him everything he wanted.
That's a piece of his jersey and a piece of his pants, I think.
No, whatever that's a piece of the glove. It's leather.
Let me see.
It tell you.
Right there.
Let me see. Let me see, Daddy. Can I see? Oh. Did you just...
Brandon Jones.
Wow. Let me see. It's just like in Christmas now.
Mark's a fan.
Let me see.
Mark Clayton.
I'm trying to see the one
What
behind
you got-
it.
Yeah,
20
what you got
out of
down
25.
there? Damn that.
Look at the next one.
What is it? Out of how many?
20 out of
20 out of
25.
25.
That's pretty good.
He got lucky one.
No.
Look at that.
Two
How you
of
open
the
the
trade. This is Steve Smith
This,
from the Panthers. 41 out of 50.
cool.
That's Terrell Owens.
T.O. That.
Hey.
Now these things got to be put up.
How about in that little box Mommy made you?
Look
Don't
at that
be
one.
shy.
That one good. That one good.
Gonna blind me. They ain't gonna rip the box.
Gotta get the cards out.
Got one where he getting the card out. I got him with the hole in here.
It looks like something special in that pack. See a thick card. It's about ½ inch thick. Look, we got a serial number on it. It's a rookie.
Tom.
Auto or something. Your
Yeah,
thumb's on the
his
autograph.
thumb's on the autograph.
Hey, Lisa.
For the Detroit Lions, Derrick Williams.
Missed it.
Rookie premiere.
NFL.
Come on.
How you? I wonder how you look up these cards. They ain't in the books.
You'll have to ask Henry and them later.
Nah, they'll kill me.
Here we go.
No, Henry pretty much had an idea you were getting one of these.
Whoa. How about
He's
3
gonna want to
boxes?
see him. He's gonna want to see him.
I'm packing.
That's
up
the
when we
picture
go
I
out.
just did.
It's a good picture.
He's cheesing.
Look at you. I'll put this one under
Don't. Leave it alone.
this. Look at his